So I figured, you know, it's a good day to relax, get out here.
I'm gonna cook some lunch.
First things first, we have to make sure the tent is laid out right.
You know, after all these years, it's still the best view in the morning.
The key is to use dry wood that catches fire easily and a nice stick to get a good ember.
Now, to stay warm at high altitudes, you're going to want to make sure to layer, especially when you're sleeping.
We're gonna use a tomato and a bell pepper and a carrot.
All right, now that's what I call a perfect fry. I feel very good, yes, thank you.
You just have to scrub all the bits away, then rinse it out here in the river.
You'd think a guy like me would be used to heights, right?
Well, let me tell you, this is not my usual Tuesday stroll! These ancient temples, they're carved right into the rock. There's something out there. Being alone out here in nature really helps you understand things.
Well, it has been an interesting day.
Haha, that's cold. I think I will be going to Chengdu next, and then maybe the south.
So, I've got all my gear, and let's check out these rice paddies.
Well, it's time to head on. Thank you for the visit.
You know, there's just such a peaceful vibe up here in the mountains at night. Ah, the air is cold, but look at that.
I plan to brew them at camp.
I find the most profound reflections come during the quietest moments.